Welcome to Mind Flow Balance, where science meets everyday life, calmly and without rush. In this episode, the bedtime calm routine, step by step. Studies from Harvard Medical School, the University of California, and the Sleep Foundation show that simple evening rituals can lower stress and improve sleep quality by up to 30%. Step 1. Put away your screen. Do it at least 1 hour before bed. It helps the brain enter its natural rest rhythm more easily. Step 2. Dim the lights. Choose a warm tone, soft and gentle. It signals to the body it's time to sleep. Step 3. Slow your breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6. This activates the parasympathetic system and reduces tension. Step 4. Relax your body from your feet to your forehead, a simple way to release the day's tension. Step 5. Organize your thoughts. Write down 3 things you'll leave for tomorrow. It clears the mind and calms the head. Step 6. A warm drink. Chamomile, lemon balm, or milk. No caffeine, no cocoa. Let your nerves rest. Step 7. Sound and words. Soft music or a light book. No screens. That's enough. Step 8. Cool air. Air out your room and keep the temperature between 18 and 20 degrees. Cool air supports natural sleep. Finally, one good thought from the day. Gratitude relaxes the heart and closes the day in peace. Thank you for being here with us. Subscribe to Mind Flow Balance on the Yacht Zoo 8 Studio channel. Find a little calm and balance every day.